So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gabru this side, and today we are going to discuss about which programming language you should learn in 2021 placement. So for today, the most important topic that I have been asked again and again, like everyone is asking me in the comments that actually which is the particular language we should learn, either it's C++, it's Python, it's Java, which is that particular language. So now for this video, the agenda for today is to decide that which particular language you should learn so that that particular language can help you in future also. And if you are a student of first year, second year, third year or fourth year, or if you are a student of MCA or BTech or any particular branch or any particular subject in which computer science or IT is related, and if you have to go through a particular programming language, then this video is just for you. I've already made a lot of videos regarding placement strategy, learning, and an overall growth. So just do and watch my playlist and also give us subscribe button. Just press that subscribe button to be connected with me and to get all the notifications on time. Give this video a particular like if you like the video. Okay, so now for today we are going to start this particular topic, that which programming language you should learn. Okay, so the programming language right now that are famous are C++, Python, Java, and anything else. C++, Python, Java. I find these programming languages the most important language, and of course the mother of all languages, that is C. Okay, so what is the actual, like, which language you should learn actually right now? So if you are in first year or if you are a beginner, I would suggest go for the first language, that is C. Firstly, start with C, and after that proceed with which language, that I will tell you at the last of the video. Before that, firstly start with C, and then at last what you have to do is that you have to keep practicing programming questions each and every day. Okay, so start with C and then move forward with the second language. The second language will be also for those who have less time. Like if you are in third year or fourth year, I would not just suggest you to go with C. I would suggest directly to go with C++, Java, or Python. So these are the three programming languages you should focus: C++, Java, or Python. Now I will tell you that which is the most fundamental language you should learn among all these three. Now coming to the second ranking, at first level we have kept these three. First level, what we have kept: C language. If you are a beginner, go with C. If you have less time, then go with C++, Java, or Python. Now among C++, Java, Python, we will again take two languages. Now what are those languages are actually? So the most important languages among C++, Java, Python, which not I find it, but actually it is useful according to the industry requirements and all those things that you will be doing in future, like competitive programming and any other stuffs. So the most important two languages among C++, Java, or Python are, any guesses? If you have any guess, just pause this video and do comment and tell me that which language do you think are the most important among these three programming languages. So yes, of course, the three most important programming languages are C++ and Java. Yes, buddy. So C++ and Java are the most important languages among all these three. Now what you have to do further is that why you should take C++ or Java. Now, which is the most important one among C++ or Java? What do you think about it? So firstly, I will tell you that which is the particular languages, what is the requirement or what is the use of C++ or Java, when you should choose C++ and when you should choose Java. So if you want to do competitive programming, I would suggest go with C++. Okay, and if you want to do like development or any type of these type of development learning, project making, on all those type of stuffs, you should go with Java. So if you want to do competitive programming or programming stuffs, go with C++ because it takes less time to code. The codes are a bit short. And if you want to go for the development process or project making, any type of these stuffs, then you should go with Java. Now, among both of these, which I suggest currently is, what is that language and which language did I studied as a graduate when I was doing my BTech, which language I was studying. So when I was studying at that time, I didn't had much knowledge about this, which I'm giving you right now. So at that time I was studying C++, but now I think that if I would have studied Java, maybe that would be a bit helpful for me in project making and all those stuffs. So what, after coming to the company, I've like grasped a knowledge about Java. So Java is must, because almost every company, every product based, every service based, every IT industry is using Java. So Java is the most popular language, that's why. So I would suggest, if you want to like if you want to do project building and all those stuff, you should go with Java. And what I would suggest is that it's better to go with Java from the beginning itself, from your BTech course itself, or from any course or whatever you are doing. Or else, what is the second step you can do? The first step, what you can do is that you should just start and go on with Java. And the second thing you can do is that, don't worry, like people who would be going on with C++, you don't have to change anything. Let it be like that, no issue with it. Because what I think, if you're knowing any one programming language, any programming languages, you can like learn any programming language whichever comes. Like if a new programming language is also being generated, that also you can learn. So no issue with that. You can like freely you can go on with C++ that you are currently learning. Okay, so I would suggest right now is that, if you are new, if you have to start with that, what you can do is that just choose C++. If you want to choose, if you don't want to choose Java, just choose C++. Keep on doing the questions, keep on practicing C++, but side by side start learning Java also a bit. You don't have to learn much, but a bit of hands-on on Java would be helpful to you. So this is my strategy, which I would like to tell you, so that it can be helpful to you. Because these things I was not knowing when I was a fresher, but as I'm like working currently in any of the companies, so I used to get it, that it's like this particular topic is very important for you also. That's why I told you the strategy, and that's why I told you the key points that you have to keep in mind while beginning to learn any programming languages. And yes, now the doubts of this particular lecture is totally clear, I think so. Like you have understood that which language you should choose. So you have to choose which language, C++ or Java. C++ or Java are the most important languages, and because both are object oriented also, and you should give priority to Java first. But if you have already started with C++, start learning a bit of Java. Okay, so that's the core knowledge of this video. Now the second most important thing that I want to talk about is that, first thing is that all of you keep yourself safe. All of you keep yourself in your house, keep yourself safe as much as you can do. Because if you are safe right now, then only you can do further things in your life, like taking a particular job, learning more and more things, and every single person in your family will be happy. And the second most important thing that you do is that, have the vaccination as soon as you can if it is available in your area. Keep an alert on that, keep a notification on that, and just have the vaccination. It's very important. Either you are 45 above, or if you are 18 plus. So both of the categories, please have the vaccination process. Now two more important things that I want to tell you is that, first important thing, people who are in first year and second year, don't be depressed. Start learning, start knowing the things more and more. Don't stop learning. Start learning the programming languages, start doing coding, start on making projects. And I will tell you in further sessions, in further videos, how to do freelancing and how to earn money while you are studying. So work from home jobs and all those stuffs are going to come on this channel. So do subscribe the channel, hit the like button if you like the video. And people who are right now in third and fourth year, it's your time to just make a good job in front of you. Just prove yourself. So start preparing, start struggling day and night to earn a good job. Okay, so be prepared for that. Best of luck to each and every one of you. I will be making videos continuously on this particular things, that what you have to learn, what you have to do throughout the 2021 placement. So do subscribe the channel, hit a like to this video if you like the video, and do comment on which particular topic you want to learn something new, or which particular thing you want to have. If you want to learn any particular programming language, if you want to have videos on project making, if you want to have any strategy video, anything you want, just comment down. And at last I will say the same thing. Tab tak ke liye stay tuned, be healthy, and Jai Hind.